Hi, this is Robin Adrian from the Cocia Daisy Memory Keeping Team. I'm here to show you my little simple story, which is a traveler-sized notebook. It's about December and Christmas stories from the past. It's called December Remembered, and I'm doing this book because some of the things in my memory are fading a little bit from whenever I was a little girl, and because my husband had a traumatic brain injury about 10 years ago, and so he likes to look through these books and read the stories that I write about what happened, and it helps him to remember. And also, there was a long period of time where it was just me, my husband, and our son, because we were stationed away from home, and so me and my husband are the only ones that have the memories of my son whenever he was little, and so I wanted to get him in a book for him so that he'll always have them. And so that's kind of what I'm talking about here. And then on this page, I just did a little oxide ink stenciling. I put one little sequin on here from, I think it's the August kit, with a French knot, and that's all I did to this because those trees are just gorgeous, this page. And then this is a little memory about these two little puppies right here. This is Lucky Ducky, and this is Ginger, neither of which are with us any longer, but we got them from a puppy rescue after my son's dog that he grew up with, called Pepper Dog, went across the Rainbow Bridge. She left us in September, and we got these two little puppies at the end of December, the end of November after Thanksgiving, from this puppy rescue. And I just love this picture of my son in the backyard with these two little tykes. They were so cute. And then this is a story about when I was a little girl at my grandparents' house. And here I used a lot of the stuff from the classified memory keeping kit. I also used from the 12 by 12 memory keeping kit this Thankful For banner, and I believe this is from the planner kit. Again, I did some oxide ink over this page, and then I came back with a stencil, and I stenciled in anywhere you see the pink, I did some stars and I did some circles around the page. And then I did some texture paste over here, and just to kind of bring it all together. I love these doilies. They're so cool. They're just the greatest. I love whenever Christine puts these in a kit. I just have to use them. And anyway, these elements, I think, came together well on this page, and again it creates this triangle. So I don't talk about it on every page, but I'm always looking for a way to draw you around the page, and so that's what I did here. And then this is also from the classified memory keeping kit. Most of these pieces are actually. This is from the 12 by 12 memory keeping kit. I just cut circles out, and this is for a sketch, that Cocia Daisy sketch challenge that they had. And again, I did some more texture paste. I also did some sewing, and my advice to you is, if you're going to sew, just make sure that you pick a page that doesn't have anything on the opposite side, so that you can do your sewing. You're kind of free to do whatever you want on the page, and then you figure out a way that you're going to cover it up on the opposite page. So you would do this page second and this page first, and as you can see, I just used a doily to cover up the sewing that I did here for the ornaments coming down the page. I really love this page. It's very simple, and it's actually of a house that's down by the lake near where I live, and the people decorate this house for every holiday, and it's crazily decorated for every holiday, but really crazily decorated for Christmas. And so I took this picture at night because it's just so beautiful, and the picture really doesn't capture it. But I used some of the little sequins from the 12 by 12, no, this might have been from the classified memory keeping kit too, I can't remember now, on this page here. And then back over here where I was showing you this picture, this is also from the planner kit, these doilies. And all of these pieces on here are from the classified memory keeping kit. It's just, I don't know, adorable in this book. They just go together so well, and I keep using pieces from it because I just really love it. Now I have some other things happening in my book, a little beach thing and some other stuff supporting some of the other memory keeping team members a little later on this week that you'll see. And so you'll see this on one of the support posts, blog posts. And here I used the planner stamp to create some tabs in here. And there's one on both sides. And so I look forward to you coming back and visiting and seeing that stuff later on. And thank you for looking at my very first YouTube video. Thank you.